Above the world, the Sky Rider soars, embodying a freedom that inspires awe. His wings of light whisper tales of boundless horizons. He moves with purpose, guided by currents unseen, over a serene earth. Like a wise sage, his path is dictated by harmony and intuition. As night descends, his flight continues through starlit canvases, neither hurried nor aimless. He becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of freedom and direction. Each movement, an elegant dance, guided by a rhythm known only to him. He embodies the Tao of nature, seamless in his aerial voyage. The trees below whisper their secrets to him, branches swaying in harmonious grace. They remind him of life's ebb and flow, constant yet ever-changing. He acknowledges each moment present in the gift of now, akin to a gentle stream. His wings are at one with the currents, flowing and unfurling with grace. Amidst nature's embrace, he finds himself centered, with freedom as his constant companion. In flight, his heart learns the balance between silence and sound. As he ascends, he contemplates the dance of life below, a tapestry woven by whispers of the wind. His heart embraces serene understanding. Amidst twilight's glow, he reflects on his journey's purpose, freedom with clarity. The infinite sky is his canvas, and the Tao his guide. In the stillness of night, he finds tranquility, a perfect balance of freedom and direction. His flight is not of escape, but of enlightened connection.